Dear friends, I have shared in many videos asking students to learn Java if they would really want to get into an IT company, into a software development role, or into a programming role. But many students keep on asking me, even after learning Java, why is that they are not able to get a job as a developer or a programmer in an IT company? I will answer very clearly. In 2026, 80% of the students who learn Java will not get a job. Do you want to know why? Because they learn only Java. They learn only the syntax. But companies expect higher problem solvers. At e-Bliss Technologies, we just don't teach Java or we just don't teach the syntax of Java alone. We train each and every student in real-time aspects. We train them in advanced Java. We train them in Spring frameworks. We train them in Spring Boot. We train them in all sorts of realistic applications that are working in today's scenario. By this methodology of training at e-Bliss Technologies, each and every student learning at e-Bliss Technologies will have an interview mindset, will have an interview based mindset. Now, if you are still learning only core Java, you are really outdated. Please comment Java. I'll update you the next batch details so that we can start it as early, and I'm happy to see you getting placed in good IT companies as a Java developer or a Java programmer based roles. Thank you so much.